So we're in the blizzard of 2010.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah.
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
It's Ashley. I'm Ashley.
Christiana.
And that's Christiana. She just wiped out, so that's why she's a little out of it. But outside, in the backyard, it's dangerous.
Runway never looked so clear.
Don't try this at home.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So hot.
I can actually stand on this mountain.
So hot.
Now my thighs are brown. I'm stuck. She's stuck. We're in the blizzard of 2010. And it's cold. It's freezing. And I can't walk through the snow. It's about up to my knees. So here we go. Oh! Okay. Obviously I'm having a hard time standing up. Right? Okay. Pants on the ground, pants on the ground, looking like a fool with her pants on the ground. Cheers to making it through the blizzard of 2010.